So y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a list of some mods that you can do to your hellcat to make it faster for a good price. So I have a JOT intake. That is a must for these hellcats. Whether you get lead maker, JOT, those are like the two top tier intakes you can get. I got a Corsair Extreme exhaust, catback by Corsair. I also have 1000cc injectors. I always forget the brand I got. I can go look, but they are expensive though. It was like $750. I got a 285 Midcoat upper pulley, and I got a flex fuel tune, so I can run 9385. Car runs around 15, 16 psi. It can go 17 to 18 on a real cold day. It makes around 850 wheel horsepower. And that's small shit because the blower is not ported, the snout is not ported, so I'm missing like a lot of power. I got the stock blower, so I mean this is nowhere near max alpha. I'm missing a good almost 200 wheel. You know, if I would have max port and the 10% lower on a dedicated 85 tune. Right now I'm gonna leave the Hellcat as is right now because, like I say, I'm not trying to spend no more money on it. I just wanted to be as fast as a red eye and faster than the stock red eye, and that was my goal. Dodge never made a red eye for the narrow body Hellcat, so I, in a way, made my own power wise. You know, I still gotta get an IC chiller put on. You know, the red eye got the cool down mode. You know, got the chiller mode, all that other shit, extra shit that it got over the regular Hellcat. But yeah, they never made a red eye for the narrow body, and that's real frowned upon for me. As you can see, common sense. It's a regular Hellcat, it's not a red eye. So yeah, that's what you can do. If you want to go all out, go upper and lower pulley, and go send your blower and your throttle body and snout to Kong. Kong will do it for $3,000, man, and you'll make 1,000 wheel on a dedicated 85 tune, probably be around 20 psi. And then if you want to go crazier than that, and you're gonna need a whipper because it's only so much that 2.4 liter dual screw supercharger can do. So yeah, you don't want to stress it out too much and fuck up the bearings, but they'll also rebuild the bearings and all for you too. So I mean, a max port is pretty pointless on a flex tune because like they got the boost down to 15 to 16, but I need another I'll have to get like another revision and shit on it. So we're gonna see though, but I'm gonna get back to uploading. Kind of lost motivation, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get back to it. But this the Hellcat, this the YFG Renegade. Man, we just gonna see what we do from here, man. We're just gonna see what we do from here.